Hi guys, today we're gonna be unboxing a UV LED light nail kit that we bought at Amazon. So the items seem to come in a smaller package. The rest was just filling, so the object didn't like move side to side and probably break. So we got a nail filer, some sort of stickers, more stickers, probably are for doing acrylic nails. I believe that is a cuticle oil, another nail filer, and a little sponge that you where you put your toes, some nail polish. Those little white boxes are nail polish, and it came with a base coat and top coat. This is mostly a starter kit, so most of the items here are one or twice use. The other two items that she pulled out were a drill, an electric drill, so you can file the nails, and the UV LED light, some glitter, a nail brush, nail clippers, some sort of sticks, more nail tools, nail tape, some cleaning pads, more nail polish, and a brush, more glitter, more nail polish. That's glue. This kit was on Amazon for around $35. Usually there are like $45. So I would have put a link so you can go buy it, but we tried buying another kit and it said they weren't available anymore. But you can search on Amazon for a UV LED light nail kit. Some of them come with a drill, some of them don't come with a drill. It all depends what you want to find. They range from $20 to $45 to $100. Depends how much things it comes with. Like I said before, this is mostly like a starter kit. So like the nail polish are small or pretty small. Probably you can use it like for 1 or 2 nail sets. That's the UV lit lamp. Those were the drill bits. So that's it for the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. This is Mr. Do It All signing off. Till next time. Bye.